Adverse effects of cyclone Fenjol. It's been 2 days, but still the situation is very bad at Vikravandi. And what we are trying to show you right here, that these are sacks, what is happening on the ground and how people are struggling. In fact, these are the people who've been waiting for food and such. And what happened over here is that these are the sacks that were inside a society building. That's a government building where it was stored. And right now, because of the flooding, everything has come out. And now the people are trying to salvage as much as possible. These are sacks of cotton, sacks of groundnut, just to show the kind of condition over here. Behind me, if you see, those are the sacks completely washed away out of this particular society. These were the hard-earned, the hard labor of the farmers. Everything has gone waste because in 2 days it will be completely soaked in water and it will become useless. So after the water has receded, the water was nearly 6 feet deep, and after it has receded, now people are coming over, the villagers are coming over and trying to salvage as much as possible. What is inside the sack? Over there you see, that is actually cotton, and over here if you see, this is actually groundnuts that have been produced at this spot and that have been saved. They are supposed to be saved and used, but everything has gone complete waste over here, and now people are trying to save as much as possible. And to show you the adverse effects from a different angle, here's what is happening. These people are actually entering. These are villagers from Vikravandi. They are entering into the water. There one person is actually swimming toward it, and there one person is actually bringing it, and they are trying to salvage the groundnuts and the other kind of like crops that were saved over here and trying to take them because they are in need of food and anything that can be actually salvaged. That's what's happening. This is near a society because of Cyclone Fenjol and the adverse effects over here. Very dangerous. This actually reflects the condition after a cyclone hits and what happens on the ground. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.